Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix fonts not showing in Canva 2026. First we'll discuss the reason why the fonts don't show in Canva, and this usually happens because of slow or unstable internet, Apple browser cache issues, fonts not fully loaded or synced, etc. And to fix the issue you'll need to check the internet connection as a first step, right? So you will need actually at first to test your internet connection on the speed test by Ookla or fast.com that powered by Netflix. And also I do really advise you to just disconnect and reconnect to your current Wi-Fi, turn on any VPN or proxy and reopen the design. So you'll need just to close it and reopen it and check if the issue is still going on, okay? So if fonts suddenly appear, it was the network issue or a network related. So now I will show you how to refresh the fonts manually. So we all need to click the box or the text box, and then now just click on the fonts drop down, and here just scroll down and wait 5 to 10 seconds. Fonts sometimes load late, okay? Also, I do really advise you to just clear the browser cache, and to do that you will need to go and click on the three dots on the top right corner of the browser, and then just go and click on the settings right here. Okay, so now all you need to do is to go and click on privacy and security, and after then just go with privacy and security section here and click on delete browsing data, just like so. So right now I do really advise you to go with the last 24 hours and click on delete data, the blue button at the bottom right corner of the pop-up menu. Okay, so just click that one. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.